Okay, now the Huawei Watch GT6 doesn't come cheap, but it positions itself aggressively in the market. Priced at about 22,000 Indian rupees, roughly about 180 pounds, 243 US dollars, 206 euros, it sits comfortably 25% lower than the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 44mm Bluetooth variant. While the price is lower, the specifications certainly are not. This watch offers a massive 21 days of battery life on light usage, dwarfing the daily charging required by Samsung. It is packed with important health-centric features like advanced health rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, alongside seamless Bluetooth calling, offline music playback, and high-precision dual-band GPS. Here I specifically mention Samsung's Bluetooth variant because the Huawei GT6 is currently only available in a Bluetooth model. I have the 46mm version here, which has a bold, masculine presence, though there is a 41mm version designed for women. Best of all, unlike the Galaxy Watch, this is fully compatible with both Android and iOS, making it a versatile contender for any smartphone user. Today, I am thrilled to have a genuine Galaxy Watch rival in the studio. While a deep dive head-to-head comparison is coming in a few days, I want to focus on my immediate thoughts about this watch. Now let me quickly take you through the unboxing experience. As you can see, this is a sealed box manufactured in December 2025, imported to India in 2025. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Now on the box, I don't see any seal here. Let me just open this up. And here it is. You can see this is the watch right here. Let me just take the watch out and let's take off this film as well. There you go. Let me just remove this. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have got the charger here. Let me just quickly show you the charger. It seems to be slightly bigger than the charger that we get for the Samsung Galaxy watches. This is of course a proprietary charger that we have, and unfortunately this comes with Type A connector here. Let me just show you this. This is the Type A connector. Type C would have been really good. Anyways, this is what we have, and on this side we have got user manual. It's a proper booklet that we have, and that's it. Now the first impression, the watch actually looks solid. We have got this soft silicone material for the strap. Let me just wear this and show you guys. And we have got these holes all the way till the end here. So this is going to suit any wristwatch size that you have. So I have got just about 15 to 16 centimeter wrist. Let me go ahead and wear this and show you guys how it looks. It actually feels very comfortable to wear, and here you go. This is how it looks. Let's go ahead and turn this on. We have got a rotating crown here, and we have got one more button over here on this side. Let me turn this on here. We have got a pretty cool animation going on in here, as you can see. Harmony OS. Let me go ahead and select English. It says scan the QR code to download the health application on your phone, then add this device. So let's go ahead and scan this. There it is. It just took me to Galaxy Store, and this application is available on the Galaxy Store. Now this application is not available on the Play Store, but it is available on the Galaxy Store. So we can go ahead and download this from Galaxy Store. Let me quickly install this. The application is installed. Let's go ahead and open this. It shows my country here. Next, agree, allow, and there we go. We have got the Huawei Health running right here on my Android phone. Now let's go ahead and connect the watch. Let's tap on devices, add a device, allow. It just scanned the watch GT6, W1 is the model. I will go ahead and tap on connect. Now we will have to register this. I will have to create an account here. Let me just quickly do this. I just registered it. I'll tap on allow. It is now connecting to the watch. We will have to confirm this here on the watch, the pairing request. Let me confirm this. Look at the animation here. And now let me tap on agreements. Next. And you can see we have got the enhanced services and user experience. The fall detection is over here. It says this detects your body's orientation using the accelerometer on your device. If it detects that you have fallen and are at risk of being unable to move, the emergency SOS feature will be activated for you. So this is good to see. This is available on the Samsung Galaxy phones, and we do have this on the Huawei watch as well. Let me select fault detection and tap on next. It says pairing successful over here. Now let's continue. We'll have to give some permissions here and tap on done. I can enable these applications to receive notifications. Tap on done. System permission authorize while using the application. Okay. This is the application interface. We have got the connected status here with the battery percentage and watch faces. And we have got my faces, notifications, watch connection protection, app gallery. We do have some applications here, I believe. Let me go ahead and check out the app gallery here. Yeah, we can install the applications from the app gallery. We have got navigation app, voice recorder, compass, my tuner radio, calculator, and many more. We will talk about this in the detailed review video. And apart from this, we have got health monitoring option here. And then we have got weather reports, health monitoring, quick replies, help, and device settings over here. We will deep dive into all this in the upcoming video. Now let me quickly take you through the interface here. Swipe down for the quick panel here. Swipe up for the notifications. Left, we have got some widgets over here. Swipe towards the right, we have got more widgets here. And you can press on this button here to go to the application tray, and you can use the crown to go through these applications. It is quite intuitive for sure, and you can just press on this button to switch between the tasks or go to the home screen. Let me press and hold the watch face here. Swipe towards the right. We've got some cool looking watch faces here, and we can add more from the store as well. Now when it comes to the quality of the watch, the buckles feel sturdy and well machined, matching the finish of the watch body. The fixing mechanism for the straps uses standard quick release pins, which is a huge plus because it means you aren't locked into proprietary Huawei bands. You can swap these out for any third-party 22mm straps to match your style. When it comes to health, this watch is powered by the new Huawei TrueSense system, which is a massive leap forward in accuracy. It doesn't just track your heart rate, it provides pulse wave arrhythmia analysis to keep an eye on irregular heart rhythms and features sleep breathing awareness to help detect potential issues like sleep apnea. You also get 24/7 SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking with guided breathing exercises, and a skin temperature sensor. One of the most unique additions is the emotional well-being assistant, which uses your physiological data to track your mood and stress patterns over time. Whether you are using the health clovers to stay on top of your daily habits or checking your recovery stats after a workout, the depth of data here is genuinely impressive for a device at this price point. Powering the device on for the first time, the 1.47-inch AMOLED display pops with an incredible peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it easily readable even under direct Indian sunlight. To get started, you will need the Huawei Health application. You can download it on the Galaxy Store instead. While iOS users can find it directly in the application store, once the app is installed, the pairing process via Bluetooth is nearly instantaneous and the watch quickly syncs your profile and notification settings. On the wrist, the 46mm model feels substantial but surprisingly lightweight at about 51 grams. It strikes a balance between a traditional timepiece and a modern gadget, fitting comfortably while still looks rugged enough for the gym. Under the hood, the specifications are solid. It boasts the dual band GNSS for pinpoint GPS accuracy, 100+ workout models, and that industry-leading 21-day battery life in light use that puts Wear OS watches to shame. Navigating the interface, the initial software impressions are snappy. It's important to note that this runs on Harmony OS 6.0, which is RTOS, rather than a full-fledged Wear OS. This is the secret to its long battery life, but it does mean you won't have access to the Google Play Store or the deep app integration found on Samsung Galaxy watches. However, the UI is fluid, the animations are buttery smooth, and the core fitness and notification features feel very polished. For those wanting even more, there is a Huawei Watch GT6 Pro version available. It sits at a higher price point, around 29,000 here in India, but upgrades the build materials to aerospace grade titanium and a sapphire glass crystal for extreme durability. The Pro model also adds a medical grade ECG function for detailed heart rate analysis and exclusive sports models like professional grade golf maps and free diving support up to 40 meters. Those are the additional features that you get on the GT6 Pro, and that may not be needed for a basic user. So, is the Huawei Watch GT6 a legitimate alternative to the Samsung Galaxy watches? It certainly wins on the price, battery life, and cross-platform compatibility, even if it loses out on certain aspects of the Galaxy watches? We will be answering those questions in the upcoming videos. I have specifically bought this watch to compare it with the Galaxy watches so that you know whether this watch can be an alternative to the Samsung Galaxy watches. So stay tuned for more contents. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit that like button if you find this video informative. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.